Get a banana in. Here. School's out, so the neighborhood kids are in the neighborhood again. Adds a bit of excitement around, I guess. What do you think? That's it. Got another plot done. This one has a green bean called Valentino and some cherry tomatoes. Time to make up another batch of muffins. We're going to go with strawberry muffins today. I'm using some frozen strawberries I had in the freezer that I need to get used up, so we'll get that mixed up here. So I have my dry ingredients already, a mixture of almond flour, coconut flour, and I'm going to add this little package of protein powder. And of course, you know who is sitting waiting. And so we'll pop those right in the oven. Well, there we have it, our strawberry muffins for the week. A friend of mine went strawberry picking and gifted me a couple boxes. I'm going to process them up and put them in the freezer. And there we have it, all ready for the freezer. I know they'll taste pretty good our long winters here. Another plot completed. Got some subarctic tomatoes there. We got some Gold Rush yellow beans, a green bean called Wyatt, rattlesnake pole beans, a yellow summer squash, and way over there in the corner, some beefsteak. And you know who has to keep eye on all the proceedings. Well, one more down. We got some subarctic tomatoes and cherry tomatoes, a goldenrod yellow bean, a aldrin green bean, some zucchini, and some scarlet runners. It's supposed to go past 30 degrees or past 90 degrees Fahrenheit today. I think that's it for today.